is where you could get quick cash that is not taxable. Instead of bumming your friends and family for money, play games for dollars. Just follow the links of Giraffe, Inboxdollars, Mistplay, Scrambly, and Swagbucks. Use those links in the description. This will help me out, and I thank you in advance. You will not get rich. Absolutely not. But you can supplement your income. Some of your bills will be paid. And most of all, your friends and family will be happy that you stopped begging. So just enjoy the show. Welcome to Play Games for Dollars. Today we will be working with Mistplay app. Now we're going to download a game called Coin Chef, where you're going to operate a restaurant, in this case in New York, and you're going to roll the slot machine to get points and build the restaurant and do what you have to do to maintain the restaurant. So I have already installed Coin Chef. Let's continue. If you have not done so, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and follow the link in the description to download Mistplay. From there, you could download Coin Chef, start playing, and earn coins. Coins are redeemable into gift cards, including PayPal. On top display how much coin I accumulated playing this game. So I realized I got 1,867. Am I saying it wrong? It's 1,867,710. I could build, so I'm using it to build this one. Him again. Him again. Him again. This one too. This is down Chinatown in New York. Yay! Good. I can last a little longer now. Okay. We're gonna feed Corgi, huh? Yes, I'm gonna increase my bet to 3. Use the hold down button. So if you're not so, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, follow the link in the description to download Mistplay, and from there you will play Coin Chef. Now I'm gonna hit her sabotage her area. See how much I could take from her. Alright, I got 141,000. And I doubled 3 times, so it's 3 times the amount. I got shield to protect my restaurant. Ooh, I gave over 1 million to build my restaurant. I ran out of time, but I got over $2 million, so I'm gonna build my little empire. Almost approaching checkpoint 4. Alright, I have reached checkpoint 4, where I accumulated more PSP and units. If I get enough, I could redeem it into various gift cards, including PayPal. So I mentioned Misplaced in this video, but I have mentioned various links in my channel. Those 5 links combined will give you a decent income. You could take one and get an income there too, but with the 5, you could make pretty good income. So follow those 5 links in my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following the links in my description. And see you on the next video. Bye bye.